YouTube! I'm on my way to the muffler shop. I'm on my lunch break, so I gotta hurry the hell up. But I'm on my way to the muffler shop. You finna get the muffler and both resonators cut off. Hey, my neighbors, if you watching this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Is it fucking snowing right now? Are you serious? Come on, gang. Anyway, yeah, I'm on my way to the muffler shop. This is the third time I've been there. Roll the clips. All right, we at the spot. I'm hoping. They quoted me. But yeah, I'm at the muffler shop. I'm back here, and we already found out 480. So we really just need to figure out if they'll do it today or if they'll have to schedule it till tomorrow or some shit like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'll be back. And yeah, if I can't get it today, shit. And look, this is the same place. So I don't know if it's the place or the car. That's bad luck. Okay, follow? Either one of them bad luck. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get there. And I'm gonna come back with good news or bad news, or we gonna find out together at the same time. But yeah, let's go. Let's get to it.
Yeah, you should never had to ask us. Yeah, being not slow, I'm running me a bag up. You know what I'm on, I don't never gotta ask her. What you say, do it really even matter? Life goes disappear like Casper. Segment, you don't got nowhere to back up. Well, you could really use a bag up. K-Raps with a real good matchup. Let's hope price know my niggas with the chatter. Blackout bag up in the morning.
Boy, oh boy. They just, I think they just finished. He about to bring it down too. I tell you, I'm scared. I'm scared. I feel like it's gonna be dickhead material. You know what I mean? Like, I know it's a N63, but boy, oh boy, I'm not even scared. I'm fucking excited. He said it's gonna be loud. Yeah, it's German V8. Nah, it's fine. He a cool guy though. I'm not even lying. Mufflers and brakes. Speedy one mufflers and brakes. Shout out to them, man. Shit, I'm trying to tell you. Shit. There you go. All right. Boy, this bit sounds so stupid. Also, another thing, I got the other here. Damn, I found the other student driver sticker. So yeah, now it's matching. Now I'm talking about. Alright. I think that's enough for y'all. You know what I mean? Some slight, some cool. Quick little video. Quick video. But hey, I gotta keep y'all on every step of the way. But look, I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but a nigga got new taillights. You know what I mean? I don't know exactly what y'all missed, but a nigga got new taillights and I got the diffuser on. You know what I mean? Because last video I was struggling, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah. Thank you for watching, y'all. And I'll see you in the next one.
You should never had to ask us. Being not smart, running me a bag up. You know what I'm on, I don't never gotta ask her. What you said, do it really even matter? Life goes disappear like Casper. Segment, you don't got nowhere to back up. One wrong move, you could really use a bag up. You and K-Raps with a real good matchup. Let's whole price, know my niggas with a chatter. Fuck a blackout bag up in the morning. I'm too hot, where the fuck am I going? Let's fuck it up, no time for the tournament.